welcome back to our channel. So today it's me and my sister, and we are going to be showing you guys how to make
agua de pepino, which is cucumber water.
So it's going to be very delicious. I really don't like it, but she really loves it, so she's the one that's going to be showing you guys how to make it today. The ingredients are very simple. You're going to use 2 limes, 2 cucumbers, half a cup of sugar, and we are going to use about 7 or 8 cups of water.
So we're going to go ahead and cut them to then put them inside your blender. It really doesn't matter how you cut them because it's going to get blended.
You're going to go ahead and add the water, just enough to cover your pepinos, and then we are going to go ahead and blend it for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, so now we're going to check if it's good. So the
foam, the espuma
is there. Oh, it smells so delicious. It smells refreshing, perfect for the summer.
Once it's all blended, you're going to go ahead and put it through the strainer. This is optional because some people do like the little pulp of it, but we are going to go ahead and do that.
Go ahead and squeeze both of your limes. Make sure all the juice comes out because you're going to need all of it.
So once you have squeezed both of your limes, you're going to be adding a little bit of sugar. You are going to use all the half cup, but you're going to do it little by little. You're just going to be stirring it until your sugar gets diluted. Once you see that it's kind of diluted, keep adding more until you have mixed in all of your sugar. So now that this is ready, we're going to go ahead and mix it in with your cucumber, and then we'll give this a try.
We're going to go ahead and put it in here. And we're going to go ahead and stir it and then try it to make sure it's good. After stirring it, we're going to go ahead and taste it to see how it tastes. It's very good. But I like it more on the sweet side, so I need to add more lemon and sugar. Mix the sugar with the lemon, and we're gonna go ahead and add it. And we're gonna stir it again. Oh my Jesus. We're gonna stir it again. And then
you're gonna try it again.
We're gonna go ahead and try it again. Delicious. This is how I like it.
It's perfect now?
Yes.
Alright.
This is the way I like it.
Alright, so my sister said this is all ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the nice jar for her. Is it a jar? Yeah, right? I don't know. It's okay. We're just going to go ahead and pour it. Ooh,
delicious.
Look, it looks so yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
It looks so refreshing. Alright. So that is ready.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some cucumbers inside just to make it look cute and pretty.
So we actually forgot to tell you guys to save a little bit of your cucumbers, so we had to cut more in order to put it in here, okay? And then we also are gonna add
lemon.
Some slices of lime inside the water, so it can just look refreshing. It's gonna be so much better, and it actually does release a different flavor.
Now this is done. And we put it into a mason jar. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try it, okay? Because I made it, so I know it's gonna be bomb. It's so delicious. But since my sister says she does not like it, I'll make her try it because I know for a fact she's gonna love it. Come on, go ahead and try it.
She keeps judging me because I said at the beginning of the video that I don't like agua de
good.
pepino. So now since she made it, she wants me to try it.
Go.
Guys, it's actually really good. The last time I tried it, it was at a restaurant. I guess I didn't know how to make it. But this one, since it's homemade and is made by my sister, is actually really good.
Yep.
I'm
telling you.
It's good. She finally knows how to make something.
You're messed up. I know how to cook. I know how to cook.
Alright, so you ready to close up the video?
Yes.
Anything else? It's very, very good, guys. So give it a try. It's probably going to be like perfect for like 4th of July. Like just as a refresher. It's so good.
You can actually feel it like refreshing inside
You
your
can actually make paletas with that.
You could too.
That's a good idea.
Popsicles.
Right? All right. So thank you guys for watching, guys. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And give us a lot of thumbs up so she can keep coming out in more videos. Because she doesn't like to, but she made a really good recipe today, guys. Bye.
Okay, bye.